Welcome to Tech Vibes. If your smart TV picture looks washed out, too dark, over sharp, or strange in color, stop right now. Before blaming the panel or mainboard, I will show you how wrong picture settings create these problems. As a technician, I fix this daily, and you can fix it in minutes. Now let us start step by step, exactly like real troubleshooting. First, power on the TV and play a normal video source. Use cable TV, USB video, or YouTube. Do not check picture settings on a blank screen. Step 1. Reset picture mode properly. Go to Settings, Picture, Picture Mode. Select Standard or Normal. Avoid Vivid, Dynamic, or Store mode. These modes push brightness and color beyond safe limits. This causes eye strain, white burn, and color distortion. Step 2. Fix backlight and brightness. Backlight controls panel light power. Brightness controls black level. Set backlight to medium level, not maximum. Set brightness so black areas look dark, not gray. Too high brightness makes clouding and faded blacks. Too low brightness hides details. Step 3. Adjust contrast correctly. Contrast controls white level. Increase contrast until white looks bright, but text and faces still show details. If faces look flat or white patches disappear, contrast is too high. Step 4. Sharpness mistake check. Sharpness should be low. Set sharpness between 0 and 10. High sharpness creates double edges, noise, and artificial outlines. Real technicians never use high sharpness. Step 5. Color and tint balance. Set color to middle value. Avoid oversaturated colors. If skin looks red or green, color is too high. Tint should stay at 0 unless skin tone looks unnatural. Step 6. Turn off fake enhancement features. Disable dynamic contrast. Disable black enhancer. Disable live color. Disable noise reduction for HD content. These features change picture frame by frame and cause flicker, shadow crush, and color pumping. Step 7. Correct color temperature. Set color temperature to warm or warm 1. Cool mode makes picture blue and harsh. Warm mode matches natural human skin tone. Step 8. Check HDMI input settings. For external devices, go to HDMI settings. Enable HDMI, UHD color, or enhanced mode, only if the device supports it. Wrong HDMI mode causes washed out or blinking picture. Final technician advice: if picture improves after these steps, your panel is healthy. Wrong settings cause 90% of display complaints. If problem remains even after reset, then hardware diagnosis is needed. This is Tech Vibes. Like, share, and subscribe for real technician-level smart TV fixes